Hey peeps, it's Jedd from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with a hyperbolic function, and with that in mind, let's get straight into it. So they've given us f of x equals 1 over x plus 2 plus 3. And they've said to us in 5.1.1, determine the equations of the asymptotes. Right, so I'm going to write them up in the top right here. And the one asymptote we know is going to be y equals 3. That's pretty easy. So we're going to pull out a y equals 3. Let me just mark that this is 5.1.1. So that's y equals 3. And our other asymptote is going to be the opposite sign of that 2. And that is going to be x is equal to minus 2. So that gives us our two asymptotes, nice and simple. Then they've said to us, write down the intercept or the y-intercept of f. So 5.1.2, we need to write down the y-intercept. And that's fairly simple as well. So when we calculate the y-intercept, what do? We need to let x equal 0. And when we do that, we've got y is equal to 1 over 0 plus 2 plus 3. And that's going to give us 1 over 2 plus 3, which is going to give us 7 over 2. And that will be the y-intercept. So our y-intercept is therefore going to be 0, 7 over 2. Brilliant. Now let's work out 5.1.3. And here now they've asked us to calculate the x-intercept. So similarly, we're going to say when we calculate the x-intercept, we need to let y equal 0. Right? So let's do that. So it's going to be 0 is equal to 1 over x plus 2 plus 3. We now need to multiply everything through by this x plus 2 to get rid of it. So that's going to be 0 is equal to 1 plus 3x plus 2. So that's going to equal 1 plus, we need to multiply that out, 3x plus 6. 1 plus 6 is going to give us 7. So we're going to pull that 7 across, and that's going to give us minus 7 equals 3x. So if we divide both sides here, it's going to be minus 7 over 3 equals x. And therefore, our x-intercept in this case is going to be minus 7 over 3, 0. And that's everything for this video. In the next video, I'm going to actually draw this curve. So I hope to find you there. If you were just looking to do y-intercepts and x-intercepts, well then, there you go. I have no doubt you've mastered it and you're ready to get those marks in the next test. A very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. Be sure to read all about them in the description below. Also, head over to our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.